7 years ago, katulad mo rin ako, stuck at traffic, pagod na pagod, at halos walang time with the family. Today, I'm actually working from home at nakabuo na ng sarili kong negosyo na pwede ko rin gawin kahit nasa bahay ako. And spending time with people that I love. Today, share ko sa inyo how working from home, it completely changed my life and my career path in just 6 months. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Hi, Lester here. So first and probably the most obvious is that working from home will give you flexibility and a lot more time to learn new stuff. Especially dito sa Pilipinas, no, yung commuting is very challenging with the traffic and the transportation system that we have. So yung time pa lang na natitipid ko sa pag-commute is naalat ko na sa pag-aaral ng mga bagong skills. In my case, I learned a lot around how to implement software that can help solve people's problems. Ayun mismo yung naging negosyo ko today, 7 years later. And of course, kapag mas less yung stress mo, mas nakakapagpahinga ka, then you'll have more time to focus. Yung focus na yon will turn into actual capabilities na pwede mo magamit sa pag-level up ng yung career or pagbuo ng negosyo just like mine. Siguro pinakamalaking realization ko noon when I got my first work from home job is yung time is yung pinakang valuable na asset ko. So of course, yung newfound na free time mo, dapat ma-allocate mo yun to being more productive. In my case, I used that to watch a lot of tutorials, learn new courses right after work. So instead of yung 6 hours na yun is nasa biyahe ako, I'm actually learning something. So ako, I've learned about HubSpot, about ERP and CRM systems, about automations in general. And yung dumating yung AI in 2022, ayan, simula na rin ako gamitin ko yung oras ko to really zone in and focus on learning these new technologies na nagagamit ko na as part ng aking negosyo. Tapos I'm the type of person na talagang kapag may natutunan ako, ina-apply ko kagad sa mga projects. Like for example, noong 2019, I learned a lot about YouTube SEO. Yun, ginamit ko yun sa YouTube channel namin na House Karaan, yung aming family channel. And we have a lot of videos na nagkakaroon ng views or nagra-rank sa YouTube because of search engine optimization na natutunan ko lang din while studying it sa mga free time ko nung nag-work from home ako. I wanna leave you this shift in mindset, no? From being just an employee to becoming a learner and builder. So kailangan natin maintindihan na learning skills actually build opportunities. The initial goal changed from earning more to becoming more capable. Point number 2, working from home allowed me to start my own business while still working full-time. Kung familiar kayo sa word na incubator, ayun yung parang baby pa yung business. I was able to do that while I was still working in the corporate. Even though yung mga work ko noon is may time tracking, I have 8 hours, diba? After that, then diretso na ako. Testing things out, learning ano ba yung pwede kong magawa sa negosyo ko, slowly but consistently. And I'll be honest, even yung mga lunch break ko o yung mga breaks ko, nagagamit ko yun para minsan mag-take ng client calls or to meet with someone. Mas less yung pressure na mag-experiment kasi nga, you still have a full-time job. So, hindi ka natatakot na, what if this business fails? Then you lose everything. Pero mas okay din if you start with your existing skills like mine. My case, digital marketing yung full-time job ko. Connected din yung software and yung SaaS sa ginagawa ko na nakakakuha na ako ng mga small website projects. Minsan may magpapasetup ng one-time ng CRM. So, project-based muna. Wala mo ng long-term commitments. And of course, I leverage yung mga free tools. Obviously, yung mga social media natin, free yan. And then even to mga tools na ginagamit ko, yung pag-build ng software, yung CRM mismo, yung HubSpot. Ayan, mga may free trial yung mga yan. So, ang focus ko nun is to help businesses digitize, not just with sales and marketing, pero yan, gumagamit din ako ng mga simple POS, simple inventory system, simple accounting system, and doon na nagsimula yung FlyHub Digital that I'm operating right now. So, ito na yung transition ko talaga from employee to entrepreneur na hindi masyado nag-worry kung mag-fail to kasi meron naman akong full-time job. So, yung natututunan ko sa corporate, dealing with clients, managing account, managing projects, lahat yon naging applicable nung nagninegosyo na ako. And then, nung nagsisimula na akong medyo may kitain, nire-invest ko na yun sa mga paid tools. Ayan. Paid HubSpot, paid project management tool, paid na mga hosting service. Siyempre, nagkailangan ko ng sarili kong website. And then, some point, nakapagsimula din ako mag-hire ng ilang employee. And last but not least, ang pangatlong pinaka-importante that helped me shift is that fulfillment that I'm actually with my family most of the time. So, hindi ko na kailangan maghintay ng weekends para makasama yung mga anak ko, para gumala, para mag-bonding. Kasi everyday after shift, kapag nagawa ko na yung mga ilang hours ko sa negosyo ko, then I can still bond with them. From time to time nga, nakatambay na rin yung mga anak ko sa opisina. Sobrang malaga nun yung hindi ko na-miss yung mga milestones sa mga anak ko. Like, may mga recital, may mga events sa school, may PTA meetings. So, ayun pa lang, kahit stress ka, kahit pagod ka, bawing-bawi ka doon. Kasi kumikita ko ng maayos, I get to attend to my kids' needs as well. Na hindi ko nagagawa talaga nung nasa corporate ako. It's not just about profit, it's not just about the money, but the purpose beyond the earning, diba? In our case, na may pamilya, sila, like me, I have 4 kids, I get to do the things that I love. Mayroon pa akong time para mag-hobby. Meron pa rin akong time to bond with my kids. And yung mga hobby ko naman, karamihan, I'm doing it with my kids. I play basketball with my kid. I play video games with my kids. And of course, nakapag-bond pa rin ako sa wife ko. So the idea is being able to provide while still being present. So dun ko na-realize na yung work-life balance isn't a myth. It's more of a choice, to be honest. So full circle, I think working from home gave me freedom and direction. I became more grounded, intentional, and fulfilled. Yung career shift na yun, it wasn't just professional, it's more of personal talaga. If you're still doubting kung yung curiosity mo, yung kagustuhan mo na makakuha ng work from home job will change your life, it will. I can assure you that. It doesn't have to be the highest paying job right away. Kasi ganoon naman talaga if you're starting out, diba? Pero at least enough to provide your needs. Tapos start learning the skills that you need. Then use that time to hopefully build a small business. As generic as my sound, use your time wisely. That helps. Give me a follow for more stories to help you build your career more, especially working from home. Then on the comment section, I also have a link for a workshop that we are promoting. That's about learning HubSpot, which is the main skill na natutunan ko that helped me really change everything to shift to work from home. Yeah, I hope that helps and see you on the next one. Bye.